All right, so this classwork assignment is titled Multiple Figures in Motion. It's branching off of what you learned drawing the single figure in motion. However, now it's more than one person. For this, you're going to need 12 by 18 sheet of paper, 2 of them. Again, if you don't yet have that paper that I asked you to order or weren't able to get it, just use the largest paper at your disposal. You can also cut the larger drawing paper we had from class in half, and that will work for this. Same materials as the last assignment, a pencil. If you want to try working with a different drawing medium, that's good to go. So you have another video clip that's posted beneath this that has 2 people in motion, 2 ice skaters, and that is what I want you to draw from for this assignment. So spend the first 10 minutes, or about 10 minutes, drawing from this video, just like you did with the single figure, but now working from 2 people. This is the drawing that I made about a minute or 2 into watching the video. Remember, it's okay if they don't look exactly like figures. You just want basically the lines that suggest motion and the motion of those 2 bodies together. So mine looks like a lot of lines twisting, right? So lines that express motion are what you want for this. Again, it's okay if they overlap. Just use 1 sheet of paper for this. It's an exercise, warming up your hands, just getting a feel from drawing for 2 people in motion. So do this and then post this to your blog. Again, there are 2 parts of today's assignment, this warm-up drawing and a longer drawing. And like I said in the PowerPoint, don't get too hung up on needing these 2 to be distinct yet. Just draw the lines in motion relative to one another. So the lines of the people in motion relative to one another, right? Just draw what you see, feel it out. There's no one right way to do this. The second part of today's assignment is much like the second part of Tuesday's assignment. I want you to pick 3 different progressive frames. So when I say that, you pick the point and pause the video that you're watching to draw it, and then move on to the next sort of major movement, right? After that, pause it and draw. Third, pause it and draw. Just like with the first one. And after getting those down, I want you to find a way to sort of make them a continuous drawing of motion between those 2 people. So this is my quick drawing of that. I want you to spend about an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes getting that down and really sort of thinking about only having very intentional specific lines, much like how in the PowerPoint the artists shown used very intentional specific lines to show the motion of multiple figures. This is awesome practice for thinking about drawing more than one figure in a space. We're thinking about how the body moves and muscles and weight distribution happens between multiple figures. And it will hopefully provide really good groundwork for moving on to working from multiple figures who are no longer in motion, right? So static. All right. And don't forget the basis of a lot of what we've learned about gesture drawing, which should provide really good sort of fundamental knowledge for how to attack this type of drawing. So post these 2 drawings on your blog for today's assignment. So 4 different projects for this week, but again, the first of each assignment is just a warm-up, so don't sweat it. And remember that I'm grading your blogs this week on Thursday, so have everything up. Please let me know if you have questions as you work on this, and you can always send me in progress work.